the last lecture, in fact. So in the heat of ending the class, I made a mistake. So here, if you recollect your notes, we said that this is correct. So let me just refresh your memory. So we were looking into swing limits of this particular circuit. Okay. So we figured out the swing limit of M1 under condition of under what conditions of VI M1 will go either into cutoff or in triode, and we did it in an incremental sense, and we figured out some constraints. Then we were trying to figure out what will be the constraint on M2 with respect to VI. Okay, and then we found out there will be two constraints. One of the constraints would be when the total current, quiescent plus incremental small signal in M2 goes to 0. Another will be the case in which the total voltage at the drain of M2, that is quiescent plus incremental, is less than the total voltage at gate of M2 minus the threshold voltage, right? So, so therein lies a clarification, not in the condition, but in the maths of it. So I wrote it here like this. But actually, when we, under what condition of VI, that is VI going up or VI going down, this is getting into triode. So when is M2 getting into triode? When VI is going high or VI is going low? Right. So when VI is going low, this gate of M2 is going high. When VI is going low, the gate of M2 is going high. At that time, this is getting low. Right. So under that condition, your M2 is getting out of saturation. Okay. So which essentially means that I am looking at the negative part of the sinusoid as far as the input is concerned. Right. So which means that strictly mathematically, this condition should be minus 6 of Vp if Vi is Vp sin omega naught t, right, is greater than minus 1, which means Vp has to be less than equal to 1 by 6. Okay, so that's the clarification that was necessary, because one might look at this and think that it looks like I have to increase Vi. Right, this inequality seems to be, the other inequality might give you the impression that I have to increase Vi and transistor will still be in triode, but it's not, because we are going in the other direction. Okay.